Baby, remember? Yeah, he's a little ass. He's like, I don't know if it's on report or not, but I know a guy in a white arrested him a while back. Oh, okay. And he was like into like the whole vehicle theft, like kind of like stealing. Yeah, he's more like a thief. Yeah.
Oh, shit! Oh, fuck! Fuck, man!
That's all that.
Oh, shit! Oh, fuck! Fuck, man! Oh, shit! 11X97, can I have an I respond to Woodside and Figueroa for Officer TC involved?
X97 is requesting a...
He's over here! He's over here! It was male, not touching, not breathing. Subject from TC collision with vehicle. Then also have a super respond and the T unit.
Verify not conscious, not breathing.
Roger, not conscious, not breathing.
Let me move the car, bro.
Yeah.
Let me block the street, bro.
Oh, shit, dude.
Oh, fuck. Fuck, man. Oh, dude. The next section, can I have an I respond to Woodside and Figueroa?
Involved.
Fuck.
Where's that?
11X97 is requesting a... Correction, 11X97 goes to Woodside and Figueroa DC involved. One information
relax,
for the
man.
RA.
Male, not conscious, not breathing, suffering from basic collision with vehicle.
Can I also have a super response?
Verify not conscious, not breathing.
Roger, not conscious, not breathing. Yeah.
Let me block.
Yeah, go for it.
11X97 is requesting a T unit and a supervisor for TC involved Woodside and Figueroa, instant 4035.
I know, hold on, man, wait. X97, can we also get a district unit response code 3?
11X97 requesting a district unit code.
Los Angeles Fire Department paramedics responded to the scene and, despite life-saving measures, pronounced Estrada deceased shortly thereafter. The LAPD Traffic Coordination Division MSIT team was notified of the vehicle crash resulting in the death of Estrada and responded to the location to conduct this major traffic crash investigation.